Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi to my beautiful and loving viewers. How are you? I am your host Malishkil from your heart favorite channel Fun with Enjoyment and Learning. I wish and pray for your best health and prosperity. Dear viewers, today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am combining both alphabetical letters, that is capital letters and small letters. Before starting the video, I am indebted toward my subscribers and friends, and I request the new viewers to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notifications on. And at the end, please must comment so that I can improve my content. Okay, let's move toward the video. Okay, one more thing. Before moving toward the video, I would like to show you the contents of my previous two videos. This was the capital letters introduced in my first video. These were the alphabets in small ABC. It was introduced to you in the second video, and today one will be the third video. In this I'll be showing you all these capital letters and small letters in one video. In the next video, I'll be guiding you the proper strokes of writing all these alphabetical letters one by one. Okay, hurriedly moving toward the video. Let's go. Okay, right viewers, now we are on the study table. Today, as I have told you that we will be doing capital letters and small letters for the cursive handwriting. I'll mix these two. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, starting with the A. This is capital A. Small a. B. It is very important to learn how to write beautiful and neat handwriting. The more beautiful hand you will have, you have more chances to impress others in your life. So right viewers, we are done with the whole complete capital letters and small letters combination of both. Without wasting time, with my all wishes, I say Allah Hafiz to you. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Up till now, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed, have a nice day.